So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Zangi app not working or if it keeps crashing. So that is an issue that some users have reported. Now in order to fix that issue, you can start off with some most basic steps like restarting your device. So there may be the problem. So your device could be causing that issue. So just restart it for just for starters. After that, if that issue is persisting, go to clear the app's cache, or you can uninstall and reinstall the applications. So most users agree that update bugs or corrupted local files are the primary cause of sudden crashes that can happen to your Zangi app. So just start with that. Once that's dealt with, if you are still experiencing some problems, you can check the App Store for Zangi updates. So you can open this, go to Zangi right there. If it says update, just make sure that you update the app so you're using the most recent up-to-date app that there is. If it's still not working, you will need to clear the app's cache that you can do through the app's settings. So you can see for data storage, for some other stuff as well. So you may gotten some corrupted files or some files that aren't being used properly, and they may be causing you a lot of problems. So once you've removed all of that, your Zangi app should be working properly. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Zangi or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.